Assalamualaikum. Today we are learning 10 words from letter C. Cupcake. C-U-P cup. C-A-K-E cake. Cupcake. Cactus. C-A-C cac. T-U-S tus. Cactus. Cat. C-A-T cat. Cake. C-A-K-E cake. Coat. C-O-A-T coat. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T carrot. Coins. C-O-I-N-S coins. Comb. C-O-M-B comb. Car. C-A-R car. Cloak. C-L-O-C-K cloak. Allah Hafiz kids, see you in next video with letter D.